Good morning everyone, Amanda here, just coming to share some happy mail that I've received. So it's a gratitude post. Excuse me, the postman literally woke me up this morning. Must have needed it. So this is from a lovely crafty friend called Karen Warren. She was actually the first person to ever send me junk journal happy mail, and I've still got some of the stuff that she sent me, and she helped me get going making junk journals. I never forget who's done what for me. I never ever forget. So I've cut it open. I'm trying desperately to hide Karen's address there, so bear with me. So I've cut it open. I don't know what's in, so let's just start. Oh, what's this? Oh wow, distressed resist spray. Textured spray that dries clear and is water resistant. Work on protection, spread out for splatter effect, or through a stencil and let it dry. Oh right, cool. So you must spray that on and then ink over, and it'll wipe off. Oh cool, thank you. I'll have to look at some videos on that. Let's see if we can get it emptied. Let me just get Karen's address off camera. Oh my goodness me, you've got to be joking me, Karen. What have you done? Oh. Bless you. I am so lucky. Honest to gosh. Is that it? Oh, look at these. I'm thrilled. I've got some tips. Washi tape. I'll take these off my wish list now. Look at those. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm absolutely thrilled. Thank you so much. So that one's got the words on and numbers. And that one says Bande de Conception. I don't know what all of the names are, but that's got, it's like vintage, like lettering and butterflies and, oh wow, thank you. Absolutely brilliant. They're both ideology ones. Oh wow. I've been wanting some of these for so long. Thank you. And that one with all of those words on. Brilliant. Oh. Like a kid at Christmas, thank you. What's this? Is this my card? Let me just, oop, what dropped there? My little card. Let me just have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, don't make me cry. Just a little something to say thank you for all the work you do for us followers throughout the year. Oh. You're a great inspiration to us all and a very kind, caring lady. Have a great Christmas. Oh, bless you. Thank you. Karen and Milo. Oh, she's got a new doggy. One of my daughters has just got a new dog, and theirs is called Milo. Oh, thank you, Karen. Bless you. Absolutely bless you. Thank you. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? That'll end up on a journal. That's really lovely, that. Thank you. Oh, look at these. I wanted some of these. I've seen Andrea on Artemis use similar to these, and I really, really wanted some. I can't believe it. Thank you. Type charms. So they're the little tiny. Oh, I'm going to have to be careful how I use them. I'm going to want to hoard these. And it's got numbers, letters. Oh, wow, thank you. Oh, wow. What's these? Milk caps. Look at those. Those are fab, thank you. Oh, you're so kind. Vintage inspired bottle tops. Those are wonderful. Oh, thank you. I'm on with, well, when I say I'm on with, I've made about one thing. I'm doing a design team project, and it's going to be vintage style, so I may well, I don't know if I'll have to hoard them for a bit longer. Can't stop looking at them. What's these? Napkins. I love napkins. Absolutely love them. Oh, look at that. It's massive. Oh, those are huge. Those are lovely, aren't they? Those are thick. Look at those. Beautiful. Thank you. Just turn my volume off on my phone because one of my daughters is WhatsApping me. Those. And she sent me a couple of those. Oh, I like this one. With the writing. That's beautiful. That's pretty. We've got one with stars on. And that's like a Nordic pattern. Those are lovely. Oh, yes. And some more of those. Brilliant. So they'll last a while. Thank you, Karen. Those are really lovely. I always get right overwhelmed when people are so thoughtful. It really does. I'm kind of shocked that people are so kind to me. I don't really know why, but there you go. What's this one? This is like a little French map book. Brilliant. Thank you. What's this one? Like a little musics. Music pages, musics. Have you heard me talking like I'm 3? Beautiful, thank you. Those are lovely. Can't beat some vintage papers. What's this one? Oh, look at this. Penguin scores. It's must be music. Look at that. Look at that patterned paper there. I'm going to have to photocopy that, I think. I'm going to have to scan that in. That's lovely. Look at all that real vintage look. And this is by Penguin Books. So this is a vintage. I'm assuming it's got music in it. Yep. Wow, look at that. And it's cool because it's a different size, isn't it? Normally you get them in long A4 and these are short. I might have to... These are fab. Oh, that's very kind of you to give me that and not hoard it for yourself. How fab is that? Thank you. I love that pattern. Love it. I'll be scanning that in. I'll try and find the copyright date on it. See if I can scan it in. What we got here. Oh, you've sent me some of these before and I kept them. And I've been photocopying them. Yeah, she sent me some of, like I said, she was the first lady to ever send me anything to help me with my junk journaling because I had nothing when I started. And she sent me some of these and I used some and then I kept a couple to one side and I've been photocopying them. So thank you. It's like ledger paper into accounting paper. Thank you. That's awesome. What's this? Oh, it's a proper accounting book. As if you've sent me that. Thank you. These things aren't cheap to buy neither, you know, because I was going to buy one. And I looked in like a stationer's and they're actually quite expensive to buy. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. That's brilliant. Look at those. Those are brilliant. Thank you. And I can use the cover as well. And there's loads of pages in there as well. Oh, I'm so thrilled. And the double-sided. That's an awesome gift. Thank you. That's really exciting. Doesn't take much, does it, Karen? Brilliant. Thank you. Oh, wow. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I love that. And I like it because you've got your red in there as well as your black. That's lovely. Perfect. What's this? Oh, look at this little charm she sent. Like a little diamante. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? I'll save that for a special journal. How lovely is that? Oh, wow. Thank you, Karen. You've really, really spoilt me there. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. And it'll help massively towards my journal making. Oh, I absolutely love these. Love them. So thank you. Again, I've said before, somebody once said to me, you shouldn't share what you get, it's showing off. I don't care what anybody else thinks. I share because I'm showing my appreciation to the people that have taken time, effort and money to send me things and show my gratitude. If anybody else don't like it, they can just not watch. So thank you, Karen. That is absolutely so kind of you. I'm really, 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 really grateful. I hope you have a lovely, lovely Christmas with your beautiful nude puppy. And yeah, I'll probably send you well, I will be sending her a message anyway, as well as, you know, before I upload this video. So I'm going to go and have a look what I can do with this now. Distress resist. I've got a good idea of how to use it, but I'll look it up. So thank you for sharing my gratitude mail, my gratitude video and my happy mail. I hope you have a lovely day and I'll see you all soon. Bye.